Hi all, welcome back to Food is Good channel. Today we bring you another dish, very simple dish but with a little twist in it. An aloo paneer burger. So I'm going to show you what we're going to use as the ingredients. So we have some green chutney because that is what one burger is going to be made of. We have some onions, medium onion, one medium onion. I have some bhujia sev. The twist, but the biggest twist is this jam. So we'll show you how we are going to go about it. I have two medium potatoes which I have boiled and mixed some turmeric and salt with it, so that is ready. I have some paneer, small amount of paneer that we are going to have, and we are going to mix it with the potato. And then I have the rice flour which we are going to mix with the mixture. So the first step that we are going to do is we are just going to take the paneer, break it with our hands, put it in the potato, put some onions and mix them all. So I'm going to go ahead and break the paneer. You can, if you want, you can shred it, but this is how we are going to go about it. And then we are going to mix the onions. Paneer has its own salt, so we're not going to put too much salt, and because the salt that is in the potatoes is good enough. And then we have the burger buns with which we are going to make the burger. So let me first, as you can see, the burger buns. So let me first go and prep the mixture, and then I'll let you know what we will do next. Okay, so we have mixed the paneer, onions and the aloo. What I've done is I've started the pan. I've applied some butter to the burger, and I'm just heating the burger. So we'll just keep this burger ready. So by the time our mix is ready, everything is ready to go. So you can apply the burger butter or ghee, whatever you want, and keep the burger buns ready. Then I am taking around 5 tablespoons of the rice flour. I'm going to mix just a little bit of water with this and make it a little bit thick. And then what we're going to do, we are going to take this mix and then we are going to roll it up into a flat patty, dip it into this mix and then shallow fry it. So that's the plan. Okay guys, so we are heating the pan, putting the oil. 2 or 3 should be good. Since we just made 2 or 3 tablespoons of oil should be good. What we have done is we have made patties like this, just big enough to fit into our burger. Now we're going to dip it into the solution of the rice flour. If you do not have rice flour, you can take corn flour also. And now we're going to shallow fry it. This is what we're going to do for our second patty too, which is ready. Dip it and that's right. So on medium heat you can do that. This will cook very quickly because the potatoes and everything is ready. So you do not need to worry about potatoes getting ready. So this will, as soon as you form a layer, as soon as a layer is formed on these patties, you can just turn it over to the other side. So in the meanwhile, let me go ahead and prep the burger buns. The burger buns are ready and we are now going to prep the burger buns. So now let's see, and first before we prep the burger buns, see there is this light brownish tinge that has come. We'll make it a little bit more darker and little bit more crispier by keeping it for a little bit longer time. So it will take anywhere between 5 to 10 minutes to get it ready. So let's go ahead and prep the burger buns now. Okay guys, so first the radical thing, not too many times you'll find this, we are going to apply jam. Any sort of jam you have at home, you're going to apply it to both the sides of the bun. I have a mixed fruit jam, so I'm going with that. As I said, it's a little bit different. You might not find too many of these out there, but believe me, the taste comes out to be real good. So I'm applying the on the other side now too. I'm going to apply it completely. This combination of salt and sweet tastes really good. So this is one. Then the second will have more of the Indianized taste here. So we're going to use a hari chutney. So you know already know how to make this hari chutney. If you do not, then I'll link the link for the same below of how I go about making this hari chutney. There is already a video out there, so you can have a look at that link. So our burger buns are ready. Now our patties are getting prepped. It's nearly done. For 1 or 2 minutes more and we should be good. And all we have to do now is place it on the burger bun. So it's ready, properly made. Just place it on the top of this bun here, and all we now need to do is close the burger. Okay, before we do other thing, there was one more thing that we need to add to this, and it will again enhance the flavor, is add some aloo bhujia. Let it fall on the plate, that's fine. It can be a little bit messy, that's okay. And this is going to enhance the taste, especially for the one which has jam in it. And then we're going to close this, and our burger buns are ready. So this is an easy way of making an aloo paneer tikki burger, done 2 ways, one with jam and one with chutney. So this is what we had coming from our kitchen today of Food is Good. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe to our channel. Please click on the bell icon to receive future notifications for these kind of videos. Thank you.